clean up then, guys, okay?
Guys, where is my dog? I wonder where my dog could be. I got my favorite gun. Here's your favorite gun. You want the favorite gun? Poor gun. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Ah, not again!
Yeah, I know. She has a phone now.
Wait, when I look away. Where is he? Wait.
Let me say to his name. Come, man. I'm like, you guys are even having a conversation now. Are you there? You hear me? Okay.
What are you doing?